Happy holidays! It is a busy time at Borealis' place, but we want to make sure we have some time to chat. Holidays are a great time to have pets. Whether it is dressing your dog as Rudolph or your cat knocking down tree decorations. The holidays would not have the same bright sparks without our pets. Sadly, many individuals are forced to choose between their best friend and housing. Nationwide, up to 875,000 pets are living in the streets with their owners who are experiencing homelessness. In the local area, Borealis' Place is the only shelter committed to serving individuals experiencing homelessness and their pets. Because here at Borealis' Place, we believe pets are our family. Give the gift of family by donating to Borealis' Place today. Once again, happy holidays from our family to yours.